Hi, honey. How are you?
Okay, how are you guys doing?
Well, your dad's mad at me because I wouldn't cook him dinner.
So then just make him cook dinner.
Well, he can. I threw out all the food.
And why the hell did you do that?
Because of the magnets, honey.
Maggots?
No, the magnets. It's because of the mice.
First maggots and now mice? Mom, don't you clean anymore?
Well, yes, honey. It's the magnets on the refrigerator. I read on the internet. They did this study with mice, and they found out that the mice that ate food out of refrigerators that had magnets on them, they had an 87.2% chance of getting cancer.
Mom, that is just ridiculous.
Well, no. It's the electromagnetic radiation on the magnets.
So maggots release radiation?
College is a waste on you.